Chasing the Stars, a Human Odyssey, an educational journey through space. Embark on a captivating journey through the cosmos, from ancient stargazers to the cutting edge of space exploration. Discover how humanity's insatiable curiosity has propelled us to reach for the stars, transforming dreams into reality. Long before recorded history, our ancestors turned their gaze skyward, captivated by the celestial tapestry above. Night after night, they observed the stars, not just as distant lights, but as enigmatic messengers. These celestial bodies dictated calendars, guided navigation, and inspired profound myths and legends. The stars were more than just decoration, they were a source of wonder and a puzzle to be solved. Ancient civilizations, from Mesopotamia to Egypt, Greece to India, meticulously charted the movements of the heavens. They sought to understand the patterns and predict the future, laying the foundation for astronomy and mathematics. Civilizations rose and fell, yet the allure of the cosmos remained constant. In ancient Greece, Ptolemy meticulously mapped the heavens, creating a geocentric model that would dominate astronomical thought for centuries. Meanwhile, in India, Aryabhatta proposed a heliocentric model, centuries before Copernicus, showcasing the diverse perspectives on the universe. Islamic scholars, such as al-Biruni, made groundbreaking advancements in observational astronomy, refining measurements and creating more accurate star charts. These early astronomers, armed with only their intellect and rudimentary tools, laid the groundwork for the scientific revolution that would transform our understanding of the universe. Their dedication to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos serves as an inspiration to us all. Centuries passed, and a radical idea began to take shape. Nicholas Copernicus, a Polish astronomer, dared to challenge the long-held belief that the Earth was the center of the universe. He proposed a heliocentric model, placing the Sun at the center, a revolutionary concept that would forever alter our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Galileo Galilei, armed with his newly invented telescope, provided observational evidence supporting Copernicus's theory. He discovered moons orbiting Jupiter, proving that not everything revolved around the Earth. Johannes Kepler and Isaac Newton further refined our understanding of celestial mechanics, developing laws of planetary motion and universal gravitation, providing the mathematical framework for understanding the cosmos. The dream of reaching the stars, once confined to mythology and folklore, began to take shape in the minds of visionary thinkers. Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, a Russian schoolteacher, laid the theoretical foundations for rocketry and space travel, envisioning space colonies and the exploration of the solar system. His work inspired generations of scientists and engineers. Across the Atlantic, Robert Goddard, an American physicist, built and launched the first liquid-fueled rocket, a pivotal moment in the history of spaceflight. His pioneering experiments paved the way for the development of more powerful and sophisticated rockets. Werner von Braun, a German engineer, also dreamed of reaching Mars, and his expertise in rocketry would later prove crucial to the American space program. The launch of Sputnik in 1957 by the Soviet Union marked the beginning of the space race, a period of intense competition between the US and the Soviet Union. This event ignited a global fascination with space exploration and spurred unprecedented investment in science and technology. The beeping of Sputnik resonated around the world, signaling a new era of human achievement. The Soviets followed up with further milestones, including sending Laika, a dog, into orbit and Yuri Gagarin becoming the first human to orbit the Earth. These achievements demonstrated the Soviet Union's technological prowess and fueled the American determination to catch up. President John F. Kennedy's bold challenge to land a man on the moon before the end of the decade galvanized the nation and set the stage for the Apollo program. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong took one small step onto the lunar surface, a moment watched by millions around the world. This monumental achievement was the culmination of years of intense effort and technological innovation. The Apollo missions not only demonstrated humanity's ability to reach another celestial body but also provided invaluable scientific data about the moon and its origins. 6 Apollo missions successfully landed astronauts on the moon, conducting experiments, collecting samples, and leaving behind footprints that will remain for millennia. These missions inspired a generation and demonstrated the power of human ingenuity and determination. The images of Earth rising above the lunar horizon provided a profound perspective on our place in the universe. Following the moon landings, the focus shifted towards establishing a permanent human presence in space. The launch of Skylab by the United States and Salyut and Mir by the Soviet Union marked the beginning of the space station era. These orbital outposts allowed astronauts and cosmonauts to conduct long-duration experiments, study the effects of microgravity on the human body, and develop technologies for future space exploration. The Space Shuttle program revolutionized space travel, providing a reusable platform for launching satellites, conducting research, and building the International Space Station, ISS. The ISS, a collaborative effort involving multiple countries, serves as a laboratory in orbit, where scientists from around the world conduct experiments in a unique environment. While humans remained relatively close to Earth, robotic probes ventured far beyond, exploring the outer reaches of our solar system. The Voyager probes, launched in 1977, flew past Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, sending back stunning images of these distant worlds. Voyager 1 has now entered interstellar space, becoming the farthest human-made object from Earth. On Mars, rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have roamed the red planet, searching for signs of past or present life. These robotic explorers have uncovered evidence of ancient water, organic molecules, and other clues that suggest Mars may once have been habitable. Their discoveries have fueled our curiosity and inspired us to continue exploring the possibility of life beyond Earth. The 21st century has witnessed the rise of private spaceflight companies, transforming the landscape of space exploration. Visionaries like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have invested heavily in developing reusable rockets and spacecraft, making space travel more accessible and affordable. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket has revolutionized the industry with its ability to land vertically after launch, reducing the cost of spaceflight. In 2020, SpaceX became the first private company to send humans to the International Space Station, marking a significant milestone in the commercialization of space. The emergence of space tourism has further democratized access to space, allowing individuals to experience the wonder of spaceflight firsthand. Today, we stand on the cusp of a new era of space exploration. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon, establishing a sustainable presence on the lunar surface. The Lunar Gateway, a space station orbiting the Moon, will serve as a staging point for future missions to Mars and beyond. Mars remains the ultimate destination for human exploration. SpaceX's Starship, a massive rocket and spacecraft, is designed to transport humans to Mars and establish a permanent colony. The challenges are immense, but the potential rewards are even greater. Exploring Mars could unlock secrets about the origins of life and pave the way for humanity to become a multi-planetary species. Space exploration is more than just science and technology, it is a testament to the human spirit of curiosity, courage, and innovation. From the ancient stargazers to the modern-day astronauts and engineers, our quest to understand the universe has driven us to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we carry with us the legacy of those who came before us, the dreamers, the scientists, and the explorers who dared to reach for the stars. Our journey is far from over, and the mysteries of the universe await our discovery. Join the adventure. Inspired by the boundless possibilities of space exploration? Here's how you can be a part of the journey. Learn more, dive deeper into the wonders of the cosmos by visiting your local science museum, planetarium, or library. Support space exploration. Advocate for continued investment in space research and exploration programs. Follow the latest missions. Stay up to date on the latest discoveries and missions by following NASA, SpaceX, and other space agencies on social media. Inspire others. Share your passion for space with friends, family, and your community. Encourage the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers to reach for the stars.